basketball. Thank you for sticking around. It is a beautiful Tuesday afternoon. Kahit medyo mainit sa labas. Mas mainit pa nga sa loob.
Sobrang init sa loob. Nasa resulta ng stats natin. Pakikuha nga yung temperatura dito. Kasi pawis na ako. Para ako naglalaro, brad eh. Pasensya na po sa mga kapuso natin. Baka mamaya wala kaming coat, ha? After ng game. Kasi grabe yung humidity. Grabe din yung intensity dito sa loob.
Dapat pala nag-compression kami. Alright.
Wow. Pero ready ka na nun. Galing takbo sa umaga. Diretso ka na dito.
Alright. Second half begins.
Ito na yung strong 5 ng Perpetual. Gusto ko tong lineup na to. Brolina at the 4. Daep at the 5. Tapos dalawang shooter, isang attacker.
Isa lang ang pinalitan dito ni Coach Joff. Instead of Corpus, went with Dan Rosales.
No, Don Louis. Si Don, taga General Trias, Cavite.
Okay.
Tapos taga LP, si Ines. BFF, kasama si Nick. Si Nick Haro, yun yung bata pa eh. Bata pa, magets pa yun eh. Anak niya ay Mother Rhea nila. Na laging, yun yung may team. May team kasi sila sa South eh. Parang AAU club team nila.
Okay.
Dadayo daw sa North yan, ha?
AAU
Kaso
club.
maglalaro na kasi ng college ng mga batang to eh. Hindi na makakapangkaran ng mga 18 eh.
Ortega.
That's a travel. And he's been forcing a lot of things up. Talking about Dale Ortega. Pero kasi it's the function of the defense din eh. They've been blanketing the point of attack. So si Dale napipilitan umatake, si Osis, even Gian Gomez. Parang out of context instead of running their patterns, nagiging one-on-one. Which is playing to the hands of the strength of Coach Joe.
Precisely.
Good screen.
Pagulayan. Too strong that time.
Very subtle movements by Lebron Daep to open up a shooter. Hindi lang na-shoot, pero okay yun. Good movement.
Ison inside for Sharma who scores the deuce.
There you go. Itong si Ison was instrumental din in the Final Four. He was providing a lot of extra gusto, kumbaga, para sa kanilang koponan.
Isa sa mga veterano ng LSGH was in the Final Four in season 98 as Pagulayan scores on the roll. Set for a tat to begin the third quarter. Dale Ortega forcing the issue. That one rolls out.
So babalikan natin, Martin. Pasensya na po mga kapuso, paulit-ulit ko sasabihin sa inyo na ito yung gusto nilang tema. One-on-one, pahirapan. Ito, madaling basket to. Attack, caught the defense snapping. Ito, Icy Calyakan, nakakuha ng turns sa mga ball screen. Pero yung atake ni Dale Ortega, sariling kayod. Nakakapagod yun pagdating sa dulo. Ito, fatigue is setting in, mainit, medyo flat na yung mga tira, and you're down 20.
Alright, mula sa dugout mga teams natin during the half. Nandito ulit for a report here in the third. Miss Flo del Agua. Flo.
Hindi pang una, hindi pangalawa, kundi pang-apat na do or die game na ito ng Benilde LSGH. And throughout all of it, sa second half nila tayo ginulat. In their dugout, isang napapaos na head coach Renren Ritualo ang pilit ginigising ang kanyang players. Paalala niya, we are shooting ourselves on the foot. The opponents had too many three-pointers when the simple solution is to stay defensively in front. Nakukulangan din siya sa kanilang mental toughness. Now, in order to pick themselves up, the Greenies need to remember their battle cry coming into the series, which is fear is temporary, regrets are forever. Martin and Coach Ham.
Thank you, Flo. Luna with the end one on the other end. Perpetual will open up a 23-point lead. Yung report ni Flo kanina, it will need to manifest quickly for LSGH because right now Perpetual is becoming unstoppable in this game.
Yeah. Getting attacks.
Let me just mention, Icy Calyakan with 7 assists already.
Sinabi na natin yan na he looks the part of being a lead guard in college. Si Icy Calyakan, he needs time to develop, but the reach on the floor is there. The control of the offense is there.
Vastly improved since his first season in the NCAA. Even the point-blank shots are missing. Kines makes the catch. 20 to shoot for the Greenies. We're down by 24 points. It's a 7-3 start for the Perpetual Junior Altas in the third. Venus scanning for options. James Eason against a bigger defender. Kines, the whoa! Erased by Roluna.
Wala, talagang binablanket siya eh.
Smothering defense
Block
played by
shots.
Perpetual.
6 block shots by Perpetual compared to 1. But how about this? In bawat atake, 4 na tao, 5 in the shaded area. That's what happens if the defense respects you. And it's a tip of the cap para dito kay Gillian Kines na if you're going to beat us, it's not you. Sorry, Maverick. You're not driving this fighter plane.
Ay si Kalyangan. Kalyangan will take it this time. Left it short. And here's Dale Ortega running away with it. Ortega falls down, loses the rock. 2-on-2 break. Daev down the middle. He falls down hard. But there's a whistle. He signals his bench. He's okay.
Ito yung tempo na gusto ng Perpetual. Helter-skelter kasi sanay sila na sobrang bilis ng tempo. They're just going for the ball. Itong si Gillian Kines.
Kasi paano mo pipigilan yung Romanagasang Lebron Daep? Full head of steam. All 6'7" of his frame. Oh! Quick pass to Roluna. He'll slow it down.
24 yan eh. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali dyan.
Rosales with the treat. 5 to shoot. Bounce pass goes to Sharma. So the green is gonna stop. Hardy Podador. Ito si Gian Gomez. 12 puntos ng ating first half. Podador. 4-3. Podador knocks it down.
They needed that. Pagka ganito yung kalaki yung lamang, Martin. Dalawa lang yung pwedeng mangyari para mawala sa yung ganyan kalaki lamang. 3 bagay yung dapat gawin. Dapat mong gawin para matapon yung ganyan lamang. Bad shots, bad turnovers, bad fouls. So you have to stay disciplined. It's a wide margin, but you need to stay the course, be disciplined to do what you're supposed to do, and not let the GH kids take a good shot.
Generation natin yun eh. Is that Vina Morales?
Yes.
Cheering in the crowd.
Correct.
Yeah, Miss Vina Morales in attendance. Kines saving it to Osis. 12 to shoot. Osis will attack. Oh!
Blanketed, supalpal na naman.
Score Poos. Sticking with him like glue.
Ngayon talaga, pagdating sa championship, the offense brings the show, but defense wins championships. Lang may Esperat yan.
JD to the cutting Roluna. Roluna the spin. Too many players in front of him. Sharma pulls it down. Gomez has it. Forward to Kines. Kines, no. But there's a whistle. That's going to be a foul on Corpus.
Yan dapat. Titiin mo talaga. Wala, no tomorrow na yan eh. Ano, buhat kung buhat. Dip-dip kung dip-dip, tatamaan eh. Brad, yan, sarap manood ng NC. Bawal maharte dito. Pre, talagang diin kung diin.
Alright. Coach Ren will call for time. They're down by 21.
Kung sa Season 99 ay may new heroes of the game, nitong unang siglo ay meron ding OG heroes ang NCAA. Hindi lang kasi mga sports legends at mga sikat na celebrities ang naging bunga ng NCAA schools, kundi pati na rin ang mga pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas at dating presidente. Produkto ng Colegio de San Juan de Letran ang mga revolusyonaryong sina Apolinario Mabini at Emilio Jacinto. Ganun din ang mga dating presidenteng sina Manuel
In it. Game number 3, live on GTV, Heart of Asia simulcast. The cool boss, Boss Anton Tamayo, wearing shades. During the bright lights of the finals, Dr. Lorenzo of EAC also in attendance. 65-44, that is the tally with 5.5 left in the third frame. Dillian Ines will get 2 shots here. He has 12 points so far, a far cry from his efforts in the first 2 games, where he averaged 32 points per contest.
Brad, nung unang dalawang laro kasi double team lang. Ngayon, pag umatake siya, 5 na yung karating. Brad, pati pag blitz sa ball screen, 3 yung nakakarga. So that's the amount of respect that he commands on the opposing coach.
2 for 2. It is down to 19. JD.
Good Iverson screen.
Here is Pandoria. He falls down. The scramble for the ball. It goes to Sharma. Sharma to Kines. Kines says, let's wait. We don't have the numbers.
Baba mo lang to sa 10. Just bring it down to 10. Yan. Yan ang mga dapat mong gawin. If you're Lasal, penalty. Penalty na yung kalaban. Atake ka, kuha ka ng contact, patayin yung oras, make free throws, padikitin mo lang yung score, mababa na to, single digit by the start of the fourth quarter. Different ball game na yan.
Yeah, this is going to be an important 5 minutes here in the third quarter for both teams.
Eh kung pwede magbihis yung coach, mabilis lang yan. Kasi tatakbo lang sa corner, hihingi lang yan. Pero huwag mo asahan bumantay kasi hindi raw siya pinabayaran para bumantay.
Okay.
Galing sa kanya yun, ha? Galing sa kanya yun, ha? Galing sa kanya yun, ha?
Okay. That was the 14th foul on Perpetual.
Kaya nga nandun si Coach Mark tsaka si Coach Alvin, eh.
Tama naman.
Sila yung taga-habol, ako yung taga-team. Tsaka si Coach Mojo.
Tama naman.
Tama naman.
Yung scorer talaga.
Uy!
And you have to be careful of these.
Yun lang, turnover pa, tumama.
Kasi yung mga pag-ganyan-ganyan ng Perpetual, nagko-compound Coach Hammer eh. Ball pressure on the inbound. They get the ball back, and now they regain control again. Kalyangan. IC is doubled. Kalyangan got the step. Too strong. Quick pass. Pandoria underneath. What a play for Kalyangan.
Palit Bumbilya, abot hanggang kornisa yung pagkaka-pihit ng bola, eh.
We have to see that play again because
Heads up.
IC just made it happen that time. Here's the miss first. Split the D, got the step, missed the shot, got his own miss and the quick pass.
Ayun, oh. Mike and drill, reverse Mike. Ay, yung mga batang ayaw mag-Mike and drill. Hindi nyo magagamit lahat yung mga ini-ensayo nyo. Kailangan yung mga nagagamit nyo lang. Kasi pag nag-dribble kayo ng lagpas 4, pauuwiin kayo ng coach. Unless na nagbe-break kayo ng press. Pero pag upward, makaka-atake ka.
Yeah. Gomez.
Good
perfect.
outlet.
Oh, hold on. Oh, it's an unsportsmanlike foul.
Uy!
On Osis. Trying to deflect the pass. We'll see. We'll see. That was the initial call.
Unsportsmanlike.
Oh, ito. Finalized na. Itinawag na. Clear path.
Oo. Malinaw.
It was off an inbound.
No?
Though. Yeah. And 2 free throws plus possession here for the Junior Altas. Jan Roluna.
Impressive tong Roluna, no? Impressive to.
Yeah.
And I hope some of them stay and grow through that perpetual program kay Coach Olsen.
Yeah.
Kasi yung mga players ni Coach Olsen sa college nun, ganito yung mga tipo. Kaya nakita natin, Patrick Sleep, Brian Sahonia. Parang mga ganyan eh. Mga attacker, two-way players. Kaya lang, 0 out of 2. Ano yung Pagulayan, ito, mga Cristino.
Cristino.
Ayan, tama
Jericho
na.
Cristino.
Ayan, yung Cristino, may opportunity na maging pick and pop guy.
Yeah.
Pero they need time to develop eh. Time to develop talaga. Ang medyo blue chip talaga yung Daep eh. Parang 1A, 1B sila ni Kiefer Alas eh. Pagka titignan mo sa high school ngayon.
Sila na yun.
Pero tong Roluna.
The Greenies force the turnover. Bonador! Short. Gomez! No! Pulled down by Roluna.
Saka buong buo yung loob pag rumibound. Dalawang kamay.
Kabuan, wala. Roluna cleans it up. Nagpasab na dito si Roluna. Nagpapasab.
Pinupulikat.
69-48. He'll be replaced by Corpus in the next dead ball.
Same quality.
Gomez.
Tough shot.
And here comes Roluna again. Pinupulikat pa yan pero tumatakbo. Kalyangan. No go. Kabuan. No. One more time. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Ending up with Arlie Podador. Right behind him was Valdoria. Hold on. It's a heated moment. Let's see what
Ingat na
happens.
ingat lang dito si Dale Ortega. Siya na naman yun nandun sa mix-up na yun, ha?
Follow up, John Roluna. And he gets his points, he gets his numbers through these kinds of plays.
So tingnan natin ha kung merong tawag dito na extra call.
So YouTube, Ison, parehong papasok para sa LSGH. Hold on, they're reviewing it. It is still a 21-point lead.
So this was after the fact na nagka-scramble, dive for the loose ball, going for the ball naman. So ayan na, magkakaawatan dito eh. So tingnan natin anong yun yung gusto nilang tignan. If there was an intent to interesting calls coming up.
All right. Okay.
Okay, good call by our officials. So, foul on number 12.
Valdoria.
Oo.
No upgrades.
Wala naman. Mawat lang.
Arlie Podador. Ito si Valdoria. On your screens, one of the stretch bigs nito ni Coach Jock Leopas. Podador. First one is off. That is their 6th miss from the line this afternoon. Arlie Podador did not play in Game 2. Back in it here in Game 3, but obviously it's a different complexion of a game. As per Petwal is in full control. 0 out of 2. IC Galiaga now. 3.5 to go in the third quarter. IC handles. IC takes it himself. Galiaga scores the short jumper.
Yep. Dahil Gian Gomez yung nakatapat sa kanya, he can easily elevate over him. Ayun, nandun na naman. 5 ang nakapalibot kay Gillian Kines. Naka-strong side help na nga. Wala na silang pakialam eh. Talagang loaded yung shaded area.
Valdoria tried to drop it off. Tabuan. Ito yung kick out papunta kay Pagulayan. Another 3 minutes to go.
High-low.
Nakasil si Valdoria. Back to back.
Galing nung pasa na yun. Ganda nung pasa. Ay, sa'yo lead guard kung kagalangan. Magustuhan ni Coach Olsen yun. Magustuhan ni Coach Olsen yung ganyang player.
Podador! That's in the 3. That's his second one. Here in the third quarter. Still a 20-point lead, pero time out si Coach Jock.
Nabuo ang samahan ng NCAA at GMA noong 2020 sa kasagsagan ng COVID-19 pandemic kung kailan pinagbawal lahat ng face-to-face events. Ngunit kung ang ibang mga liga ay nagkansela ng kanilang mga season, itinuloy pa rin ang NCAA Season 96 Rise Up Stronger. Online, ginawa ang halos lahat ng mga sports events kasama na ang opening ceremony. Nagkaroon din ng virtual chess at taekwondo tournament at live basketball at volleyball skills challenge.
Balik sa ating laban. This is Icy Kalyangan having a stellar afternoon. 11 points, 8 assists, answered by the slick move by Gillian Quines. But how about
High-low.
Yeah.
Mismatch talaga. And great entry pass.
the pass to the big? Ito yung 3 puntos ni Podador. Both of his baskets are coming from beyond the arc. And on your screens, we have here Lieutenant Colonel Richard Antonio Tamayo, President of the Perpetual Health Medical Center. And we're happy that, you know, the Perpetual Management, we also have the Lasayan Management on the other side present for this game. This is jam-packed and important people are here
Yeah.
from both institutions.
Game number 3, why not?
Ison getting the pass. Ison all the way. Greenies got a quick one.
Yeah, manageable. Just get a 4-0 run here. Magbabago na naman yung tempo. Zone press.
Corpus. Perpetual trying to figure this one out. Backdoria, no. Backdoria gets it back, no. Isa ba tabuan? Wala pa rin.
Mampante sila na pagka tumalbog yung bola, kanila yung offensive rebound. Walang daip, walang baldora, pero may tulak.
15 offensive boards now for Perpetual as Ison scores this one on the break.
Tatlong offensive rebounds. Dalawang offensive rebounds, rather. Ang nakuha nila on that sequence. Babalikan natin. Offensive rebounding percentage. Hindi man sila makakuha ng unang basket of their offensive package. Aatake at aatake sila to get an extra possession. Athletes eh. Athletes.
How about the disparity on
Offensive rebounding.
offensive rebounding, rebounding in general, they're plus 12, 40 to 28.
Plus 5 sa offensive rebounds. Tama, no?
And the thing is, Coach, kaya okay, this is a steal for Tabuan. Wala rin silang masyadong offensive board. Konti pa sa kanila to. Kasi mataas yung ano nila.
Field goal percentage.
shooting. Ison misfires.
One shot, one attempt per one possession lang sila.
77 to 55. Rian
naman.
Baldoria forcing the issue and he draws the foul.
Masahe, kung masahe, good seal. And okay din yung ginagawa nito mga guards ng Perpetual. Kasi masipag sumil to si Baldoria as we see this third over by GH that was converted by Tabuan. Mas gaganahan yung mga bigs pagka binubusog mo sa kanya sa high low. Kanina ba seal ng seal tong mama na to, nakadalawang paint touch na siya, dalawang free throw. So mas gaganahan rebound dyan, tsaka sumil. Ngayon, ang pressure release naman, makaka-downhill drive ka na. Kahit magbintis ng free throw eh. Kailangan busugin mo eh. Malay mo, ito na yung last game na kanya sa high school to, malamang. Diba? So, yung mga ganyan, kailangan i-reward mo rin yung mga bigs mo.
And again, kahit anong bunot or kahit sinong bunutin neto ni Coach Joff, you still get the same activity. John Roluna today, 50% from the field, 13 and 10. A double-double plus across-the-board numbers. 3 assists with defensive stats as well. Coach O
As I mentioned,
in attendance. Head coach of the Perpetual Altas, probably looking at some of the players who will be elevated to
yun lang, thrown out yung Osis.
Seniors Division. Wow. So Osis is going to be ejected rather.
It's qualifying foul.
Ooh. All right, we have to to see it again. So, obviously, it was Baldoria inside ang bumabantay sa kanya doon si Brandon Yutuk.
Joey Rosales and Ted Corpus.
Alright, so just a clarification, that's the second technical foul on Mix Osis. Kaya na-eject na siya dito sa ating laban.
Pero doon din bagong kasama sa coaching staff ng Perpetual Autas sa seniors, Coach Alan Albano. Multiple time champion in the juniors ranks din yan.
Yeah.
Kasama sila ni Coach Olsen, yes.
Ison.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Itong coming season natin in the seniors ranks. Pero tatapusin pa natin muna itong season 100.
Siyempre.
Alam mo naman ako, plugged in ako. Excited ako.
That's coming in a few months. I see. Attacks. Game of his life
Kaya
here.
na naman, offensive rebounding.
Kalyangan. Basket and the foul for IC Kalyangan.
Kita mo na yung game plan. Kayang isulat. Oh guys, talo tayo. Di tayo rebound. Offensive rebounding, number 1. Number 2, promesure tayo ng promesure. Tapos atakihin nyo ng atakihin. Atakihin nyo natin, atakihin. Relentless pressure offensively and defensively. Be it in getting extra possessions, being under their skin. And the key part is, depensahan nyo ng mabuti yung point of attack nila.
Kalyangan, part of the starting unit today, has been balling out for the Autos. 15, 4, and 9. And a plus 25. Highest on the team of Perpetual. Biggest lead so far.
So,
26.
Pinasok nila yung dalawa nilang big boys, si Achuela at saka si Abad.
Let's see if it'll make a difference for Coach Ren. 6 to shoot, 5 to shoot, 4, 3. Gomez flips it up. Tightly contested again.
So last shot time for the quarter dito.
Game clock is dead, or shot clock is dead rather. Game clock is at 14. This is IC Kalyangan. Man of the game so far for Perpetual. 5 to work with. 4. IC. No. And that's the buzzer. The end of the third. Perpetual is 1 quarter away from making NCAA history. They're ahead 81 to 55. We'll be back for the final chapter of this finals.